have Havi Elements with me, and I put this wheel into the motor. Okay. Now we all know that if we power the motor, if I power the motor, what will happen? If I power the motor, it rotates. Yes. Okay, it rotates. But now I am removing this power. Go on. And I am attaching this buzzer. What should happen? What does happen? What is expected? Can anything happen in this situation now? There is no power. I have just attached a buzzer. Nothing, right? Let me do one thing. See, I am turning this wheel with my hand now. And see, observe what happens. Can you hear something? What? What did you hear? What did you hear? Yes, Satyam?
Sir, I can hear the buzzer person.
You hear the buzzer sound. Great. So, what is happening exactly? I have not connected the power. And still, when I turn the wheel, it makes the buzzer sound and LED blink. Why? Why? Because I have generated the electricity using this motor. Okay. If you remember, we discussed how does this motor work in one of our previous camp. Do you remember that? So there is a principle called electromagnetism. So when I am turning this wheel, the magnets inside, there are magnets inside which rotates, and that rotation, fast rotation, cuts the magnetic field and it generates the electricity, and that electricity powers up the buzzer. Okay. Can you generate electricity yourself? No, you can. Even now, you want to generate energy, some of the energy. Okay. See, as I converted the magnetic energy into electricity, can we convert heat into electricity? Right? Can we convert the flow of wind into energy, into electricity? Can we convert the flow of water into electricity? Can we convert the sunlight into electricity? The heat, right? We can do that. So let's generate electricity. Very simple. For that, first of all, do namaste. Okay, put your palms together. Put your palms together like this and rub them. Put them on your cheek. What do you feel? What do you feel? Yes, Gia?
They're warm.
They're warm. From where that warm has come? Yes, anyone? Yes, Dishan?
From our energy?
From?
Our energy.
Our energy, okay. Muscles energy, right?
Yeah.
Our muscles energy, okay. Yes, Havisha?
Sir, our body has the cells, and our cells can run and was coming and hot, then our hands will coming hot.
True that, Avisha. So we have the cells, molecules, right? When we are rubbing our palms together extensively, those molecules, we are feeding the energy to those molecules, to those cells, and those cells are running faster, much faster. And as we have observed, when we run very fast, does our temperature increase a bit, slightly, right? When the tires are running fast on the road, have you observed that they get hot? The tires of the car get hot. Have you observed that? When they are running fast on the road, try doing that. When your father comes back, check the tire immediately and you will find it hot. Okay? So this energy, our muscular energy is being given to the cells, molecules, and they are running fast, and that's why the palms become hot. And as we know, we can convert any energy into electricity. So we just generated some electricity ourselves, though that is very tiny, so we cannot use it anywhere, but still we generated. So we are the powerhouse now. Okay.